And now you decided that you're definitely going to apply to the UK.
Yes.
So how did you go about the process? I mean, why did you feel that you needed a consultant's help like us?
Yeah, so initially when I started off, I was really confused on what needs to be done in terms of documentation, in terms of exams, in terms of shortlisting the universities, also writing long essays which are SOPs or LORs, and since I've been working and I didn't have much time to focus on those aspects because I had to also work for 9 or 10 hours every day. All I got was weekends, and on top of that I had to give my time to also prepare for exams like GRE or TOEFL or things like that. So that is when I thought that maybe I would need assistance from a consultant, and I researched. I went to a lot of consultants and I finally came across Mavin, and that's when I realized Mavin is what I was looking for, and I just
How did you find Mavin different from your initial research on other consultants?
So one thing about Mavin is the first day when I visited in Mavin, so I didn't even have to ask any questions. I was just told everything, all the doubts I had, all the questions I had were answered. Like, it was very concise and it was very detailed. So apart from that, the services that they were giving was what I needed. For example, the SOP creations, it is not what many consultancies offer. And LOR creations, as well as documentation, applying online, applying to your universities, and those things would have really saved my time, especially because I was working, and that is why I chose Mavin Consultants Law.
So today you're at the office.
Yes.
You've got your VFS appointment for submitting your documents.
Right.
And I think our counselor here has verified the documents.
Right.
So until this time, how has been your experience with Mavin Consulting Services?
Yes, so it has been amazing because I still remember I was very confused in the beginning, but once I onboarded Mavin, it became much easier because they started helping me out with shortlisting the universities for the countries that I wanted to go to, and then they started taking surveys on about my profile, and then creating my SOPs, applying to the universities, and once I got the offer, they also helped me through the payments, how to make the payments and everything, and also they guided me throughout the visa process. They had a the visa session, which really helped me understand what documents are needed for the visa, and how important it is to have all the documents in place, and how important it is to apply early. So it's really helped me a lot, and I hope that I get my visa very soon.
You don't have to hope, I'm sure you'll get your visa. Are you taking an educational loan to fund your education?
Yes, I'm taking education.
Which bank, if I may ask?
I'm going through Bank of Maharashtra, which is in Baswantpur.
So are you completely funded, or you're taking only partial funds?
I'm taking partial funds, and the rest I'm funding by myself.
So the savings that you've made over the years, you're utilizing that as well. Fantastic. What is one message that you would like to give the future study abroad aspirants if they have to plan for study abroad?
Well, the first suggestion that I would make is to start early, because the planning itself takes time and it's a very long process. So keep yourself very much you shouldn't give up at any point of time, so you should keep moving towards your goal. And if you really need help, you should reach out to people, and there are especially a lot of really good consultants. Mavin is one of them, and they've helped me through, and I'm sure if you reach out to them, they'll help you as well. So
your accommodation is confirmed?
Yeah, I booked a university accommodation. So my university had given me an accommodation that I really wanted, that I was looking for. So I'm going there.
And what about your air tickets? Are they booked?
No, I haven't. I'm waiting for my visa.
You don't have to wait for your visa. It'll definitely be approved because the air tickets are skyrocketing.
Yes.
So it's better you go ahead and book your tickets. And any tentative date that you have in mind to fly? When is the college starting?
Well, my college is starting on the September of 16th, and I have decided to fly around September 9th or 10th.
So have you booked a general visa or a priority visa?
I'm going through a priority visa because, like I said, I have to book my air tickets and I needed my visa a bit too early. So that is why.
So it's costing you a little extra.
Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you, Shweta. It was a pleasure interacting with you. I'm sure your visa is going to come through. We wish you all the very best and enjoy your studies and stay in the UK. And I'm sure you'll end up with a great job in the UK with the kind of work experience that you come from. Thank you so much. It was really a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.